everyone, welcome back to Date That Matters. Today, we are talking about Ekta Diwas 2024, also known as National Unity Day. Celebrated on 31st October every year, this day honors the legacy of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, one of India's greatest leaders. Known as the Iron Man of India, Patel played a crucial role in unifying over 500 princely states post-independence, shaping the nation we know today. Theme of Ekta Diwas 2024. This year's theme focuses on unity in diversity, a powerful reminder of India's strength in embracing cultural, linguistic, and regional differences while standing together as one nation. History. Ekta Diwas was first celebrated in 2014, marking the birth anniversary of Sardar Patel. The initiative was launched by the government to recognize his efforts in building a unified India. Events like the Run for Unity are organized to promote solidarity and national integration. Why is it celebrated? The day is celebrated to inspire citizens to uphold national integrity and work towards strengthening the fabric of India's unity. It's a day to reflect on the importance of standing together, especially in today's world where division can often take the spotlight. Importance and goal. The goal of Ekta Diwas is to remind us that unity is our strength, and by staying united, we can overcome any challenge. It's not just a celebration but a call to action to preserve the values of togetherness, peace, and brotherhood. So, let's celebrate Ekta Diwas 2024 with the spirit of oneness and strive to keep India united. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Date That Matters for more updates on important days that shape our world. See you next time.